different things like that. The ongoing issue with the containment sump screens and potential chemical effects, and they then use some of the actual national labs. So they're main for us. Right. But that's another area for integration with minority individuals or any other individuals. It's where nuclear is permeating now is really it's pretty impressive. I'd be happy to give you my card though if you want me to send you a link or whatever to someone.
Yes. A question for you.
Yes.
Would you share your information with the Native Americans if this is something that they would like to look at? How they could maybe get started?
I talked to Chairman Key and I talked to Marcia from the Navajo Nation. Because I went out there and saw, I was shocked when I sat in that workshop yesterday and I asked the question, what's the status of the renegotiation of the coal contracts? Because when Peterson Zaw was chairman of the Navajo Nation, when I went back in '84, the big issue was that they signed bad contracts, contracts that were too low. The royalty rates were just too low. And so they wanted to raise that rate so they could get more revenues in. And that was split because, with their religion and their faith, they're not part of them, they're not crazy about extraction. There are other capitalists who want extraction. So they have those internal politics. But when I heard that they're still litigating the coal contracts, I was just flabbergasted. But when it comes to the 2,000 abandoned mines, that gave me ideas, and I'm going to talk to Marcia and follow. I get my juices going, and then I have to tone myself back down because I'm a single parent, and I'm a chronic acute asthmatic who will die out here if I get too much adrenaline flowing. So I get excited about it. I say, Norris, go home and sit down and write about it and try to do what you can. But for instance, another business opportunity, not necessarily African American, but with those abandoned mines, what I asked was, and to follow up on your question, I said, are the mining companies, are they being aggressive in coming in there? And they told me, well, they are being aggressive, but I guess there are some issues. There will be big issues there whether or not they try to reactivate those mines, I guess, while they're going to clean them up.
Reclaim
They're going to clean them while they're
I'm saying there are interesting issue possibilities that I talked to them about. I mean, unfortunately, they have a lot of grievances, but they have some internal politics they need to get together first, such as internal governors.